Step 9. POM change trees. Here we need to code all the trees that have been measured at a new POM this census. So first we need to find those trees. So I'm going to filter for all the trees that are alive this census and the previous census and check which have a different POM. So POM this census equals POM last census. So here are all the trees that have different POM. First we need to have a quick look and check that they are all real POM changes. Here in census notes there's comments on most of these trees, so they're definitely POM change trees. But the other three, we would need to check the original field sheets for. I think it's more likely a data entry error. So we'll check those afterwards, but for the other trees, all trees that have a new POM need flag 4 coding as 60. The 6 corresponds to there being a POM change, and the 0 that there's no manipulation. So that's the first step. Then for any that have a measurement at the previous POM, if that measurement is still valid, we need to enter that into the database as a second measurement. Here we can see that all of the measurements at the previous POM are valid, apart from one. First, we need to create a new column, and we call that dPOM T-1. And if the measurement's valid, we enter it here in millimeters. We enter it for all the valid measurements. If it's invalid, we leave it blank. Then, just for a sanity check, we want to check all of the trees that have the same POM and just have a scan through census notes to check that none of these should be POM change trees. So here we have one with an extra measurement in the census notes. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, this is okay. It was a POM change last census. It's measured at the same POM this census. So it's not a POM change. We only code POM changes once the census that the POM actually changed in. Okay, so that's done. You just need to go back and check the original field sheets for those other 3 trees.